Class 3, take out your math magic book. Class 3, take out your math magic book. And we were in chapter number 6, fun with give and take. We were doing chapter number 6, fun with give and take. Isn't it? And I think we have completed the word problems of page number 80 and 81. Word problems of page number 80 and 81 we have already completed. Okay. There were 4 word problems and I think you have completed in your copy. Now today we will start from page number 82. Today we will start from page number 82. This page number 82 you will do it in your book. Yes, that means up to page 81 we have completed. We have to start today from page number 82. So students, quickly come to page number 82, put the date and you will do it in the book. It is very simple addition and subtraction, 2-digit and 3-digit addition subtraction. Okay. So you will do it in your book. These all are very easy things. Yes, Aniruddha, we will do question number 5, solve the following. We will do question number 5, solve the following. Page number is 82. Page number 82. Listen, when I will ask you the question, at that time you will write the question in the chat box, not now. Okay. Listen. We will play a rapid fire game. Okay. I will first write all the questions and then I will ask you to write the answers in the chat box. That time you will write the answers in the chat box. Okay. So wait for a minute, let me write it. Next one is 14 plus 3. 39 minus 10. 12 plus 24 and 86 minus 58. So these are the 2-digit addition and subtraction. Okay. These are the 2-digit addition and subtraction. Now quickly everyone write the answer of number 1, 17 minus 3. Quickly. 17 minus 3. I want the answer from your side. 17 minus 3. Joydeep is wrong. It is not 20. 17 minus 3. Yes. Very good. How fast you are, I want to know. Exactly. 17 minus 14. 17 minus 3 is 14. Now times up. Now for the second one. 14 plus 3. Snehanjana, it is wrong. 11 is wrong. 14 plus 3. 14 plus 3. 11 is wrong. You have to add, not subtract. 14 plus 3. Yes, 14 plus 3, it is very good. It is 17. Very nice. It is 17. Times up for the second one. Time up for the second one. Sucheta, how it is 71? How it is 71? It is 17. Addition. Aniruddha, I have not told you to write the answer for third one. Still, I have not told you to write the answer for third one. Those who are writing, they are out of the game. Okay. They are out of the game. We will not play with them, those who are writing. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Now write the third answer. Quickly write the third answer. Yes. Many of you have written it is 29. It is? Exactly, it is 29. 39 minus 10 is 29. 39 minus 10 is 29. Snehanjana, again, why it is 30? 30 is wrong. 30 is wrong. Vidyashri, why you are writing 36? I have not asked you the next one. I have not asked you the next one. If you are writing the next one, then you are out of the game. Okay. Aditi, a very good afternoon, beta, but quickly open your Math Magic book and start writing. Okay. Now quickly write the answer for fourth one. Yes, very good, Linoy. Very good. Linoy is the first one to answer. And the proper answer is given by 3 pointer. That means a very systematic answer. Very good. It is 36. The answer is 36. These all are 2-digit addition, and this type of addition you have done in class 1. Okay. So these all are very easy addition and subtraction. Time's up for this question. Time up. For fourth question, time is up. Okay. Now wait. Again I will write. Ready? Now start writing for the last answer. Writing the answer for the last one. Very good, Rajannath. Then next is Triporna. Snehanjana, your answer is wrong. Do it again. Yes, the answer is 28. The answer is 28. Very good. The answer is 28. Okay. Sana, you have to write the answer in the chat box. Not you will show the book. I want the answer, not the book page. Okay. Now stop it. We will do the next one, the 3-digit addition subtraction. Now we will start the next 3-digit addition and subtraction. You are enjoying the class? 3 Pine, you are enjoying the class? Yes, ma'am. Okay, wait, let me write it down. Then again I will ask you and you will write the answers in the chat box, okay? The first one is 139 minus 110. 237 plus 213. 325 minus 204. 474 minus 136. And 642 minus 413. 49 plus 20. And the last one is 135 plus 146. $139 minus 110, then 237 plus 213, 325 minus 204. Okay, now let's start the 3-digit addition and subtraction. Now let's start the 3-digit addition and subtraction. Okay, so everybody ready? Don't write the answers now. Don't write the answers now. Those who are writing the answers, this is my kind request. Don't write the answers now. When I will tell you that start writing, at that time you will write the answers in the chat box. Okay. So ready? 1, 2, 3. Start writing. Start writing the answers. Very good. Rajanna is first in writing. Exactly. Exactly, it is 29. Why Linoy is writing 450? I am asking the answer for first one. First one, it is 29. Very good. All of you, very nice, very quick you are to write the answers. Yes, Shivanik, I also agree with your thumbs up. It is 29. The first answer is 29, okay. Now stop it. Now start writing the second one, quickly, second one. Very good, Vidya. Second answer, addition. Second answer, you have to add. Very good. All are writing 450. Yes. 7 plus 3, 10. Carry 1, 3, 4 and 5. 2 plus 2, 4. It is 450. Very good. You all are very quick and very correct. Really, I am very happy today that you are responding me so quickly, isn't it? I am enjoying the class. Okay. So, ready? 1, 2, 3. Now the third one. Third one. Oindrila has given the first answer. 121. Very good. Moyuk, you are late. Do the third one. Ayush, it is not 127. 127 is wrong. Diksha, the third answer I want. I want the third answer. Yes. Yes, Vidyashri, you are late. I have not asked the third one, fourth one. I am asking the answer for third one. It is 5 minus 4, 1, then 2 and 3 minus 2 is again 1. So, the answer is 121. Okay. Answer is 121. So, very nice. Again, Linoy has started the next one. I have not told you to write the next one. 2, 3, 4. I have not told you to write the next one, Linoy. Linoy and Shreyanjan, I have not told you to write the next one. Ready? Yes. 1, 2, 3, start writing. Very good, Triporna. Very good. The answer is from your side. First answer, Triporna. (14 minus 6 is 8, and this side it is 3 and 3. 338. Very good. You all are giving the correct answer. It is 338. Okay. Now come to the next one. Quickly write the answer for next one. Start writing. Very good, Sana. Now Sana is first one to write the correct answer. Yes. You have to subtract. This is 9, 2 and 2. 229. Rajonna, you are wrong. Not 128. It is 229. Rajonna, correct the answer. It is 229. 229. But all the students are not writing the answer. Only some of you are very quick to write the answers, but others they are not writing. I can see from here. I can see the giant box, and in that all your face and your answers is coming, what you are writing. Okay. Yes. Now, within a second, write the answer for next one. Within a second. Exactly, Sana, Linoy, Aniruddha, Snehanjana, Suhana, Shatik, Jishnu, Moyuk, Oindrila. It is 69. Answer is 69. Yes. The last addition. Now write the answer for last addition. Some are writing 281, some are writing 261. What is the answer? Vidyashri, it is not 261. Then some are writing 271. you have to add, the last one you have to add. 5 plus 6, 11, carry 1, 4, 7, 8 and 2. 281. The last answer is 281. Okay. So I think you have completed in the book. Now come to question number 6. Check your answers yourself. Check your answers yourself. Here the subtraction you have to check it of your own. How you will check? See, 236 minus 114. The answer after subtraction is 122. Now you have to add this 122 plus 114 to get the answer as 236. If you are getting the bigger number which is from which it is subtracted, then your answer is correct, and if you are not getting that one, then your answer is wrong. See, here they are getting 236, that means the answer is correct. Similarly, the next one, 340 minus 28, answer is 312, and you have to add 312 plus 28. The answer is coming 340. That means the answer or the subtraction what they have found or the difference what they have found is correct. Now this method you have to apply in the next page, that is page number 83. In page number 83 you have to apply the same method and you have to check whether the answers given are correct or not. Check Rashi's subtraction using addition. Give her a tick for every right answer. So in page number 83 you have to check whether the subtractions are correct or not, and how you will check? You will check by adding. Okay, and if it is correct, then you have to give a tick mark. If it is wrong, you have to give a cross marks. First one is already done in the book. 384 minus 243. After subtraction, the answer she has got is 141. So you will add this 141 plus 243. After addition, the answer is 384. Okay. So the answer 384 is correct because this is the same number from which they have subtracted, isn't it? Now come to the next one. 468 minus 139, and the answer is given 221. Now you have to check that whether it is correct or wrong, and this in the box you have to write it down. Okay, in the box you have to write. So let's start doing this one. This is page number 83. The first one is given 468 minus 139, and after subtraction they have got the answer as 221. Now you have to check it. This 221, write it in the box, plus 139. After addition, if you are getting this 468, then the subtraction is correct, and if you are not getting this number 468, then this subtraction is wrong. Okay, so you all have written wrong. Let us add 9 plus 1, 10, carry 1, 3, 5, 6 and 3. 360 is coming, that means it is wrong. So in the box you write it cross, because you have to give a cross or right tick. Okay. The next one, 356 minus 247. 356 minus 247, and the answer is given 119. So let us add the 19 plus 247. Is it correct or wrong? I will give a tick mark or a cross one. You all are writing wrong. What I will write? Tick or cross? See, 9 plus 7, 16, carry 1, 4, 5, 6 and 2 plus 1, 3. Answer is coming 366, whereas 356, isn't it? So again it is wrong. Again it is wrong. Okay. Now come to the next one. Next one. The next one is, wait a minute, the next one is same as we have done, 468 minus 139, it is 221. It is same, okay. That means all the options are wrong. All the subtractions given, they are wrong, okay. This way you will check whether the given answer is correct or wrong. Now come to question number 7. Fill in the missing numbers in the colored boxes. Now you have to fill the missing numbers. You have to fill the missing numbers. Question number 7. Fill the missing numbers. -78 minus 3 and dash. And here it is given 5, here it is given dash. 2, 1 dash, then 1 dash 7, and here it is given dash 3, 2, dash 6 minus 3 dash, and the answer is given 6, 0. Dash 4, 4, 2, 3, 8. After subtraction, 2 dash dash. Okay. So this is the question. Quickly solve it. Yes. With what you will subtract 8 so that the answer will be 5. It is how much? 3. So 8 minus 3 is 5 and 7 minus 3 is 4. 8 minus 3, 5, 7 minus 3, 4. So 78 minus 33 is 45. Next, 2, 1 dash. With what you will subtract 7 to get 2? It is 9. 9 minus 7, 2. Now with what you will subtract 1 to get it 3? It will be 8. It will be 8. And this side it is 1. No, not 1. This side it will be 0. This side it will be 0. Now the next one. Yes, here it is 60. So 6 minus 6, 0, and 9 minus 3, 6. The next one. This you will take 14 minus 8. 14 minus 8 is 6. Then this one, 3 minus 3, 0. And this is 4. 4 minus 2, 2. Okay. Yes, you all are correct. You all are giving the correct answer. All are correct. Okay, this is question number 7, and this is my request to everyone. This question 5, 6 and 7, these 2 pages questions, you will do it in your copy once again. Okay, whatever you have done in the book, that is question number 5, question number 6 and question number 7, once more you will do it in your copy. Okay, so for today that's all, and you practice these questions once again in the copy, and bye for today. Okay, and I enjoyed the class very much, the same I think for you also. So bye all of you.